Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost dance in Fisch. First, select your character or object that you wish to animate. Ensure it is properly rigged or has distinct parts for movement. Next, we will focus on creating the dance motion itself, making it fluid and expressive. Finally, we will add the unique visual elements that give it that distinct ghostly appearance, transforming your character into an ethereal dancer with just a few simple steps. To begin, select a character model that has at least 5 distinct movable parts, such as limbs and a head, for dynamic motion. It is crucial to ensure the character's central pivot point is accurately placed, typically at the base of the torso, for natural rotation. Consider duplicating your character once or twice. These copies will be essential for creating the translucent, trailing ghost effect later on, adding depth to the animation. Now, let's focus on the dance itself. Create a looping animation that lasts approximately 3 to 5 seconds, ensuring smooth transitions between poses. Use keyframes to mark significant movements, perhaps every 10 to 15 frames, to define the character's dance steps. Focus on subtle, flowing body movements rather than rigid actions, giving the impression of an effortless, ethereal dance. This forms the foundation for our ghostly effect. For the ghostly effect, select your duplicated character layers and reduce their opacity to about 30 to 40%, making them translucent. Apply a subtle, soft glow effect, perhaps with a light blue or purple hue, to enhance the ethereal look. Crucially, introduce a slight delay of about 5 to 10 frames for each duplicated layer, creating a trailing, afterimage effect as the main character dances. This completes your ghost dance in Fisch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.